Now next the thing we are going to discuss, it is about the clinical application of sodium potassium ATPase. So as you can see, sodium potassium ATPase, it transfers 3 sodium out of the cell and 2 potassium inside the cell. Now the case or the clinical application we are going to discuss, it is in the heart muscle. So the heart muscle additionally contains another pump which is known as the sodium calcium exchanger. So sodium calcium exchanger, it pumps calcium ions outside the cell and sodium ions inside the cell. Now with the sodium potassium ATPase and sodium calcium exchanger acting together, so first 3 sodium ions are extruded out of the cell while 2 potassiums are taken inside the cell. At the same time, sodium ion is taken inside the cell and calcium ion is removed, as you can see in the diagram. Now if we apply Digitalis or Digoxin on the cell, especially on the heart muscle, so what happens, the digoxin binds on the extracellular surface of the alpha subunit of sodium potassium ATPase, and this blocks the sodium potassium pump. So the sodium potassium pump is blocked now. So less sodium goes out of the cell and less potassium comes into the cell. So as less sodium is extruded out of the cell, so sodium accumulates within the cell. So the sodium concentration gradient, it is hampered. So as a result, by the sodium calcium exchanger, less sodium is taken inside the cell and so less calcium leaves the cell. So as the amount of calcium is more, and we know that calcium is essential for the heart muscle contraction, so digoxin or Digitalis, in this way, by increasing the calcium concentration, the digoxin or Digitalis, it increases the rate or force of myocardial contraction. Thus it is used as a very important drug.